I want to run away, ashamed of mistakes I've made. I try to hide my face from your sight. That's when you call my name and wrap me within your grace, hidden in your my eyes. You love me as I am, not as I should be, with a love that conquers shame. Jesus, you are saving me. When I went the way I knew would lead me away, followed me there to prove you'll never leave. No matter the damage done or how far I try to run, when I lose my way, you come to carry me back home. Nothing really shuts you down quite like shame. It kicks you when you're on the ground. Even with your good intentions, you always seem to lose against it. But love is taking it away now. It's not what you've done, it's what His love is doing. It's not who you were, it's who you are becoming. Have you heard that He makes all things new? I believe His love's not done with you. They say people never really change, but I